pets can't speak for themselves, but you can tell when your family friend is hurting. Perhaps they're having a bit of a difficult time getting up after resting, or more reluctant to jump up into your lap or go outside for a walk. Once full of energy, your pet may now seem to slow down, have some difficulty walking, tire easily or seem less exuberant, and seeing them in pain makes you feel helpless, doesn't it? Our pets suffer from the pain and swelling of arthritis just like we do. But you can help them with homeopathic ingredients to treat the symptoms of joint pain. Pet Bounce Homeopathic Oral Drops for Arthritis and Joint Pain Relief. The liquid ingredients in Pet Bounce are designed to be absorbed quickly into the bloodstream. And liquid ingredients go to work quickly. No forcing down pills and waiting for them to dissolve. Help your dog or cat enjoy a healthier, more productive life by incorporating Pet Bounce to relieve joint pain, stiffness and swelling. Click the link in the description for your trial bottle.